My name is Dr. Amy Hicks. I am the co-founder and community health director for Hope Christian Health Center in the Ivory Coast. Our goal in establishing Hope Christian Health Center is to bring community-wide health and spiritual wholeness to the people of Ivory Coast. Working with your creative people to craft a mission and vision for our organization really helped take kind of what was in our heads and what we knew, but we had not put it into a succinct statement that was able to connect with everybody else as well. So they helped us put together a mission and vision statement that we can take to potential partners, to potential donors, to those who want to come on board and work with us, and really tell them this is what we're about. The vision workshop is really well produced in order to help us to think through what does success look like? Where do we want to be in 5 years and 10 years? And it helped us to really think big about what our goals are. We worked with your creative people to put together a video that really introduces the Hope Christian Health Center. And I have to admit, I was nervous about doing this, but Justin and his crew made it a very enjoyable experience. And the first time we watched it, it was very emotional at how well they had captured the story and how well they showed and portrayed the desire that we have to establish this hospital in Ivory Coast in order to meet the needs of people who don't have access to care, but more importantly have never heard about the love of God and sending His Son Jesus Christ to bring them eternal health.